Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew that I saw you when I opened my mind. I will never doubt love again. After the all of mine, I love again. So nice song, right? So it means yes or no, or question yes or no here from this one. So hello everyone, we're here from this analyze of this game. So I choose up these best games here from this one, and also between from this beautiful and pretty from this international master in Kazakhstan is Merut Kamalidenova. So it means she was a beautiful and pretty, smart, and I love her, my favorite player. So it means so she was a focused or maybe without calculated with mathematicians here from this one. So Merritt was she was a 19 years old here. So it means she was born in 2006 here from this one. So it means teenager with her girls here. So and also versus by grandmaster in Russia is Alexander Goreshkina here from this one. So it means 1 hour and 31 minutes from this long game or round robin. So in this part of these videos here we have analyzed of these chess games here from this one. So white plays Merriweather is e4, e5 Goreshkina, knight f3, knight c6, entering Roy Lopez opening, and Wesley So or Berlin defense here from this one. So these are the main line is used by knight to d4 without bird defense here from this one, or maybe it's called bird defense here. So it means Goreshkina, knight f6, or Wesley So or Berlin defense here from this one, and castling by Merriweather here from this one, and knight takes captured pawn, 1 pawn down by Merriweather. So it means it means 1 pawn down by here from this one, and rook to e1 by Merriweather without attacks by knights, knight d6 without move side, or maybe without idea by attacks by bishop or threatening by bishops. So it means without attacks by connecting here, and backwards bishop f1 here from this one, and bishop to e7 with idea by upcoming by castling by Goreshkina. So it means ready by castle kingside here from this one, and knight c3 by Merriweather and castling by Goreshkina here from this one, and pawn to d4 or without upcoming by captured, and push to e4. So it means why don't one captured? So it means why don't one captured? So it means these are here. So if you capture this pawn, so it means knight takes captured. So if you move, knight takes captured and queen takes captured. So these are we need to capture here from this one. So controls here from this one. So why don't one captured? Because push to semi-close e4 by Goreshkina. So these are the controls or examples here from this one. And knight takes captured, takes, rook takes, and pawn d5, attacks by rooks, threats by rooks, or maybe with the idea by attacks, threat by rooks here from this one, and backwards by Merriweather, rook e1, bishop g4. So it means without slightly goods by Goreshkina, or without threatening by knights, or without pin by queen. So these are the diagonals. So diagonals here from this one without bishop. So it means without controls here from this one, and pawn to c3 or without moves continuations here from this one, and bishop h5. So it means no more booklets by Goreshkina. So it means novelty. So these are the old main line here. The good novelty first is a5, and second this one is king force h8, and third is bishop takes captured, and fourth is a6. So a6 here from this first, second, third novelty. So new novelty, bishop h5 is no more booklets. So it means out of this booklet by Goreshkina. So these are the controls here from this one, no more booklets or novelty. And pawn to h3 without no more by bishop to g4, or maybe without movement here from this one, without connecting by on outgoing here from this one, and also pawn to a6 here by no more by bishop to b5 without no ongoing here from this one, without connecting decided the previous or provokes here from this one, and pawn to a4 without ongoing here by pawn, so it means without decided here from this one, and rook to e8, or maybe with idea by connecting by pins by rooks. So these are the targets here from this one, or controls here from this one, and bishop to f4 without good sides here by Merriweather without beautiful. So it means without beautiful here, and queen to d7 and knight e5. Oh, so I use by arrows here from this one without knights here, so it means, or maybe without knights without here. So knights here is coming by threats by queens, and also decided bishop attacks by queens and knight attacks by knights. So I gonna use by putting by arrows here, so it means I never forget here from this one. So it means, so these are the connecting by without expose here from this one, without move connecting by connecting, or bishop, knights and queens, or without threats without next target by queens and queens here from this one. And also knight takes captured, good move. Without good move here from this one, and queen takes bishop. Without good sides or perfect side, excellent by Merriweather, beautiful. Beautiful Merriweather. Because I like her. So it means I like Merriweather here from this one. So she was a master here from this one, and king g6. I use putting arrows with idea by threat by bishop. So these are the controls by threatening by bishop here from this one. So the next puzzle. So first puzzle, what do you think the perfect brilliant move by beautiful and pretty international master Merriweather in Kazakhstan? So white to place here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Bishop d3. Brilliant move by beautiful and pretty. So it means bishop d3, or maybe with idea by here, or without move side by bishop to f5, or attacks by queens. So these are the controls here from this one, or maybe without next targets by attacks by knight threatening by bishop. So these are the controls here from this one, or maybe determinations here from this one. And decide Goreshkina is ignoring by queen c6 by Goreshkina here from this one, doesn't want of threats here from this one. And also another good move is, another brilliant move is h4. So another brilliant move. So I'm sorry I got wrong. So it means another brilliant move by Merriweather. So it means brilliant move, another brilliant move. So it means brilliant move here. Second brilliant move from this one, or maybe determinations here from this one. And bishop d6. So for example, so it means why don't we accept bishop captured sacrifice? So it means, so what do you think? And rook takes captured check. If rook takes accepted, rook takes e8, and decided this one, ignoring here by bishop to d2 without bishop pairs. So these are the controls here from this one. So slightly good examples here. So it means good examples. So it means these are the pawns. Another brilliant move here from this one. So bishop cannot. So it means, how do you do that if you capture this one? So it means, so it means bishop d6 by Goreshkina without bishop to bishops here from this one, and ignoring by beautiful bishop d2. So it means beautiful, my favorite players here from this one. So it means, so bishop d2 by Merriweather from this one, and queen d7 without movement. So it means that's not one of this Goreshkina computer. So the best moves there is rook takes captured accepted, and rook takes captured. So rook takes captured here from this one, and these are the slightly better goods here from this one. So slightly better schools and whites and blacks. So it means back there is queen d7 by Gorishkina here from this one, or without bishop, without idea to move side by bishop to f5, attacks by queens. So these are the controls here from this one, and pawn to g3 without no more by here by knight to f4 without movement. Knight to f4 cannot move here because these are the pawns. So controls here from this one without attacks this one, or targets or threatening by move side here from this one, and also pawn to c6 here from this one, and good move bishop f5. What a nice shot, great move by Merriweather, excellent move. So it means without threats by here, threatening by queens, or decide this one attacks this disturbed by queens here from this one, and without more eliminate here from this one, and queen to c7 by Goreshkina here from this one, and queen to g4 without good sides here from this one, and knight e7 with idea by threats by bishop. So threatening by bishops here from this one, and ignoring by bishop to c2 by beautiful, and horse to king h8, pawn to f5. What a move, excellent, strongest by beautiful Merriweather here from this one, and knight to g8, or maybe without idea by without move by knight to f6 here, and used by threats by queen. So these are exposed by moves here from this one, or without slightly goods here from this one, or maybe without next side is rook to captured rook. So rook takes capture rook here from this one, and decided queen f5 without good sides by beautiful Merriweather here from this one, and pawn to g6 attacks by threats by queens or pawns. So without pawns here from this one, and queen backwards f3 without develops by pawns, and force to king g7, force king g2 without king must be active, my beautiful, and queen d7 without good sides here, without controls here from this one, and rook h1, rook h1 without good excellence by without determinations here, and also f5 takes by pawns, takes, and also bishop to g5 without move side, without controls here, and knight f6 with idea to move here or move side by rook to h6 here from this one, without rooks here from this one, or move side without next here from moves, and rook h6. I gonna use by arrows here from this one, or without rook h6 with idea by battery by rook h1. So rook h1 here from this one, or controls by determinations here. So I use by arrows, and decided rook h8 without rook to rook. And the next second or third puzzle. So what do you think the another triple third brilliant, perfect, brilliant move by beautiful Merriweather from Kazakhstan. So white to place here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Bishop captured f5. Another third brilliant move by beautiful Merriweather. What a perfect double exclamation mark, excellent move or good move. So very good move by beautiful Merriweather, and decided. So it means without bishop, without queen, or without attacks by bishop. So these are controls, or without pawn threats by bishop. So it means, so bishop captured, brilliant move by Merriweather here from this one, and Goreshkina decided queen takes captured bishop without queen to queen, or without queen to queens here from this one, or maybe without captured queens from this one, and Merriweather accept queen takes pawn, queen takes captured, and pawn takes queen. So these are the without need to captured by queen to queens here from this one, and rook takes captured. So simple is that, with idea by threatening by bishop. So threatening here from bishop here from this one, and bishop to e7. With idea by here, with idea by threats by rooks or pins by bishop. So pin, without pinning here from this one, and rook takes captured, good move So it means good precise by Merriwert here from this one, and king to g6. So it means threats by rooks. So threatening by rooks or bishop, threats by captured. So the next fourth puzzle, what do you think the fourth, another fourth brilliant move? So perfect move by beautiful international master Merriwert. So white to place. So while waiting for couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone from this one. So the fourth perfect brilliant move, boom, bishop captured. Fourth brilliant move. What a perfect by masters from this international master. So it means perfect move by my beautiful. So it means perfect move here from this one. And decided king takes rook, one rook down by Merriwert here from this one, or without moves, or maybe Merriwert rook to bishop, and this one doubles by rooks by Goreshkina from this one. And decided this one is bishop to d6 by beautiful Merriwert here from this one, and rook h6 with idea by threats by bishop, bishop e5, c5, oh, sacrifice, so it means without sacrifice here from this one, and rook to e1, and also rook e8 without idea by threats by bishop or pin. So pinning by rooks here from this one, these are controls here from this one, and f3, good move by Merriwert here from this one, and also rook b6 with idea by threats by b2 without pawns or threat by pawns here from this one, or controls here from this one, and g4 by check, and also king g6, pawn captured, so it means with idea by threats by rook, so it means bad move by beautiful. So the best moves there is rook to e2. So rook e2 here from this one, or maybe without slightly better from whites. So back there, this one is d takes c5, attacks by rooks here from this one, and rook takes captured check, and also king g3, rook b3 with idea by threats by pawn, so it means bad move by Goreshkina. So the best moves there, this one is rook to a2 only with idea by threatening by pawn. So these are the controls here, so it means, so these are the slightly betters from blacks. So good examples here. So back there is rook b3 by Goreshkina, and another good move, the excellent great move, this one is king h4. What a perfect by beautiful Merriwert. What a nice shot here from this one. You need to move backwards here, and decided this one is d4 sacrifice. So sacrifice here from this one, and captured by sacrifice, rook takes captured, and also rook b1. What a good decisions by Merriwert. So it means nice shot, or maybe without attacks, threats by pawns. So these are the another triple here. So another triple good move by excellent by Merriwert here from this one, and pawn b5, attacks by pawns or ready by captured by pawns, and impasse had captured, and also rook to e7 without good sides here by Goreshkina, and another fourth good move g5. So it means perfect move by Merriwert here from this one, and rook b7, another bad move. So the best moves there is rook to f8 here, so it means without rook f8. So these are the move sides, so slightly better from blacks from this one. So it means back there is rook to b7, so it means without rook b7 or good decisions, and king g4, threats by rooks here, and rook f5 with idea by attacks by check, so controls here from this one, and pawn a5, rook takes capture check, king f4, rook g2 with idea by check, so check by controls here from this one, or check, king e4, rook c2. Oh, okay, c2. So it means with idea by moves, or rook to rook to c6 here from this one, or goods, slightly goods here from this one, and rook g1 check, king h6, and king d5 without ideas here from this one, or maybe without focusing move here from this one, and rook to f7, and also king e6 attacks by rooks, rook go back b7, and d5. So it means without d5 here, and rook to c5 with idea by attacks by pawns. So it means without controls by pawns here from this one, and bishop c7, rook takes captured, and the finishing move, this one is pawn d6 resigns by Goryshkina. So why she resigns? Because if you move by here, rook b5 only move here from this one, and also d7. So if you capture this, rook 5 takes b6 here. So rook 5 takes b6, and bishop takes captured, and idea this one is check if king to e7. So if you rook to b8, and also d8 queen takes captured, king takes captured, and also a5, and rook to a1. If you king g6 here from this one, and also rook takes captured, so rook takes captured here from this one, and king h6. So if we move by king e7, and also king h7, and king f7, and if you move by king h8 and rook to h5, mating net. So mating net by what blocks here from this one. So it means white wins. So it means white wins here from this one. So it means it means knockout by Goryshkina from this one. So the score by this one, so how many score here from this one within, so wait, so how many score? So the score by here from this one, in the score by beautiful Merryworth Kamali Denova is 2.5, and the score by Goryshkina is 1.5. So it means Goryshkina is a knockout from this one. So the winner from this, in this beautiful and pretty international master, Merryworth Kamali Denova. Congratulations. I thought I like her from this one. So I hope this video here from this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi17, aka Icon Mike 17. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel accounts, Mark Luwagi17, and also subscribe in this part 2 from Mark Luwagi17. So if you understand by Filipino, you can subscribe by Mark Luwagi17 part 2. And thank you so much here from this one. Have a good day and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.